It is time to wake yourself up from your own illusion. It is time to wake yourself up from your own state of mind. That's right. Snap yourself out of it. Time to truly return to yourself and fully return to this present moment. And it's time to refresh yourself, to rebuild yourself, to live life, to be happy, and to be responsible for your own action. And anything that you want to change yourself for the better, do so. That's right. You can heal yourself, you can recharge yourself, and you can refresh yourself at any given time of your life. And when? Now. Now is the time for you to change yourself and to uplift yourself for the better, because no one else will. Day in and day out, we are facing with the 5 main desires: money, beauty, fame, eat and sleep. That's it. There's no more. What is more is truly, you see, the joyfulness, the peacefulness, and the happiness within yourself. And how do you do this? Fully be mindful of yourself. When you are mindful, it means that you are noticing everything around you. But more importantly, you have to notice yourself, your own state of thinking, your trains of thoughts. And when you are fall into that trends of thought, continuous thinking about something that you cannot change, snap yourself out of it. Return to yourself. Return to your breath. You can walk, you can stand, you can sit in any part of your life, in any positions. All movements can be a deep concentration of the here and now. I hope you have what it takes to see the happiness within you, and always train your mind to relax, calm, stop, and really enjoy the moment of life for yourself. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you, and Sutu I.